Hello and welcome to day 7 out of my 25 days of Christmas. Today's look is inspired by the gold star that you have on top of a Christmas tree. So I started this look off by having my base done and my brows blocked out. I then went into the Colourpop metallic liquid liner in the shade Gold Rush. I actually used a paintbrush for this instead of the normal brush that is with the eyeliner, just because I wanted a longer bristled brush to create the straight lines coming out from one of my eyes. I then went over each line with some eyelash glue that is from Eldora False Lashes, and when that was tacky I then got some loose glitter and went over that line. I have a lot of different tones of gold glitter in my collection. I have some coppers and bronzes as well as golds, warm tones, cool tones, ones with rainbow reflects, ones that are chunky. Every kind of gold glitter you can possibly imagine I have collected over the years, so I really wanted to take advantage of that, and I started to use all the different golds in this look and really tried to alternate the tones in between so they really stood out individually and not just blend in all as one gold glitter. I then went into the Lunatic Cosmetics Labs Relic eyeshadow palette and used the shade in that palette called Lovelace and started to blend this in the crease of my eye and a little bit over the lid. I also blended it onto my bottom lash line as well. To darken it up a little, I went into the shade called Ascendant and I placed this in the crease, over the lid and on the bottom lash line as well. I then used the shade called Ruins in this same palette, which is a black eyeshadow, and I started to really pack this on closer to the eye, so where the lash lines are. Moving on to the other half of my face, I start to draw on my eyebrow. I draw this on a lot higher than it normally would be as I need some more lid space for this eye look. For this I use the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Bangin' Brunette. Then I use that brown shadow that we used on the other eye and start to blend it into the crease and really wing it out. I apply this in the crease as well as the lid and the bottom lash line. Then I go into that darker brown eyeshadow and start to place it on the lid before going into the Fenty Beauty Vivid Eyeliner in the shade Wet T-shirt and creating a winged eyeliner. I also join this down onto the bottom lash line as well. I then create some white hair strokes on my brow using that eyeliner, and then I go back into the Colourpop metallic liquid liner in the shade Gold Rush and create some gold hair strokes in between the white ones. Using that same eyeliner, I then create a line above the winged eyeliner that I have already done. Using that black eyeshadow that we used in the other eye, I start to go around the outside of the winged eyeliner just to make it pop that little bit more. I then get some eyelash glue and start to place it above my eyebrow. I do this because I have some gold sequin stars in all different sizes and I start to place these in this area. I also do it on the inner corner of my eye as well. For my lips I use the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in the shade Taurus, and then I top that with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Sunlight. For my lashes, I use the Baby Doll lashes in the style 747. And then for my bottom lashes, I use the Eldora False Lashes in the style S404. I lastly put on this blonde flicky wig and then my gold star crown, and we are done. Let me know if you like this look in the comments down below. If you do, make sure to press that like button because it really helps me out. And if you do not want to miss any more of my Christmas looks, I have 25 coming at you this December. Make sure you press the subscribe button, and if you want, you can hit that notification bell. Also, go follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you want to. It is at Brooke.Ellis_. It's linked in the description down below, along with all my other social media handles, and I have some discount codes down there for you for Colourpop, Eldora, Makeup and Murder, and more. So if you want to check them out, you can. They're in the description as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!